PA Toll Pay app makes driving the turnpike a breeze. It has everything you need to manage your toll by plate account. When it comes to toll by plate, everything from paying your tolls to enrolling in autopay is easy. On the main screen, you'll find your toll by plate account login, invoice payment section, as well as the ability to open a new account. Let's log in. On your toll by plate homepage, you'll find the invoice summary section. This lists all your current toll charges. Here, you can view all tolls and make immediate payments rather than wait for an invoice by mail. You'll also see the prompt to enroll in autopay, the easiest and most cost-effective way to use toll by plate. Simply add your payment info and your tolls will be automatically charged to your card, saving you 15%. You can also apply existing tolls. Right below, you'll have the ability to switch your toll by plate status to an E-ZPass account. Just make sure you have your driver's license, plate info, and credit card handy, and you're ready to go. You can even order your new transponder as well as apply your current tolls to your new E-ZPass to save up to 60%. Like I mentioned before, adding vehicles and authorized users is simple. Just click on the top left of the main screen, then click on your desired function. It's all there in one simple menu. Road pros know the PA Toll Pay app is the easiest way to manage and pay your tolls. Download yours today.